Rohn said, work harder on yourself than you do on your job. Most people spend 40 years climbing the ladder, only to realize it was leaning against the wrong wall. In the next 5 minutes, I'll break down Rohn's personal philosophy that turned a broke 25-year-old into a millionaire by 31. This changed my life. It'll change yours too. At 25, Rohn was broke, in debt, and lying to the Girl Scouts about not having money for cookies. That humiliation was his turning point. He met his mentor Earl Schoaf, who told him something that shattered his reality. Jim, if you want to be wealthy and happy, learn this lesson well. Learn to work harder on yourself than you do on your job. Most people work hard at their job and wonder why life isn't working. Rohn realized, your income will never exceed your personal development. Rohn's philosophy boils down to 5 life-changing pillars. Pillar 1, philosophy. Your philosophy is how you think. Rohn said, poor thinking habits keep people poor more than poor working habits. If you think life happens to you, you'll always be a victim. If you think life happens for you, you become the creator. Change your philosophy. Change your life. Pillar 2, attitude. Attitude determines altitude. 2 people can face the same situation. One sees a problem. One sees possibility. Your attitude is your mental filter. Change the filter. Change what you see. Pillar 3, activity. Rohn was ruthless about this. Don't wish it were easier. Wish you were better. Knowledge without action is just entertainment. The difference between successful people and everyone else? They do the work. Discipline is choosing what you want most over what you want now. Pillar 4, results. You cannot change your destination overnight, but you can change your direction overnight. Rohn taught, measure your results, but don't be discouraged by them. Results are information. They tell you what's working and what needs adjustment. Winners evaluate. Losers ignore. Pillar 5, lifestyle. This is where it all comes together. Your lifestyle is the evidence of your philosophy, attitude, and activity. Rohn said, learn how to be happy with what you have while you pursue all that you want. Success isn't just money. It's health, relationships, peace of mind, and contribution. The defining law. Here is the philosophy that separates Rohn from everyone else. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Look at your 5 closest friends. Their income, their health, their habits, their mindset. Average them out. That's your future. If you don't like what you see, you have 2 choices. Elevate them or replace them. Harsh? Maybe. True? Absolutely. Rohn's most profound teaching. Life comes in seasons. Winter will come. Difficulty, loss, challenge. Don't curse the winter. Prepare for it. Spring always follows. Opportunity, growth, new beginnings. Don't miss spring by not preparing. Summer is harvest time. Don't take summer for granted. Work while the sun shines. Fall is reflection. Take time to evaluate, adjust, and prepare for the next winter. Most people fail because they treat life like it's always supposed to be summer. Winners understand. Seasons change, but principles don't. So what do you do with this? Start today with these 3 things. 1.